Welcome back to our cozy kitchen. Today we are making a fresh lotus stem and shrimp soup.
Slicing them in half makes them easier to eat.
Let us prepare these beautifully.
A little fresh lime juice.
Soaking them keeps them perfectly white and crunchy.
Now for our fresh sweet shrimp.
Time to marinate the seafood.
A touch of black pepper for warmth.
Just a little basic seasoning.
Mix it well and let it rest.
Next, our tropical pineapple.
Pineapple adds the best natural sweetness. And some juicy red tomatoes. Cutting them into wedges for our broth. A little minced garlic for aromatics. These fresh herbs are essential for sour soup.
Preparing our tamarind base.
Softening the tamarind.
Getting all that wonderful sour juice.
Let us start cooking.
A little oil on medium heat.
Frying the garlic until golden.
It smells absolutely amazing. In goes our marinated shrimp.
Sautéing them very quickly.
Just until they turn perfectly pink. Taking them out so they stay tender. Now for the tomatoes and pineapple.
Cooking them down to build our soup base.
Adding fresh water for the broth. Look at that stunning natural color. Bringing it to a strong boil. Straining in our fresh tamarind juice. Balancing the sourness with a little sugar.
A touch of fish sauce for deep, savory flavor.
Mixing it all together. Our lotus stems are ready.
In goes the crunchy lotus.
Gently pushing them under the broth.
We only boil this for 2 minutes to keep the crunch. Time to reunite the shrimp. A quick, gentle stir. Turning off the heat immediately. Ready to serve. Serving up all this fresh goodness. Look at those beautiful ingredients. Adding our sweet and sour fruits. Now for the best part.
This broth is packed with flavor.
Garnish with plenty of fresh herbs.
The smell is absolutely incredible.
Subscribe for more amazing dinner ideas.
Let us take this to the table.
Dinner is served.
This lotus soup is incredibly fresh and tasty.
Perfect with a side of warm rice.
The ultimate crunchy and tender bite.
So fresh and flavorful.
Perfectly sweet and sour.
Enjoying it the traditional way.
Mixing all the wonderful textures.
That broth makes the rice irresistible.
A beautiful and comforting meal. Listen to that crunch in every bite.
Beautiful natural colors.
A lovely day in the kitchen. I hope you try this easy recipe. Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Have a wonderful dinner.
Cooked with love. Every little detail makes it special.
Such a pure and fresh soup.
Perfectly presented. A true healthy feast. Nature's perfect palate.
Thank you for joining our kitchen.
A comforting bowl of joy. See you in the next journey.